Long.
The traditional heads of various himas from the West Khas Hills comprising Siem Miriao, Siem Maoyang, Siem Nongklao, Siem Jurngam, Siem Nonglang have appealed to the state government to resolve the issue of collection of customary tolls as their revenue depends on it. Accompanied by advisor and spokesperson of the Federation of Khasi States, John F. Karshieng, met the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong to discuss the customary tolls. The issue arose in the context of the National Highways Act, which bars erection of any barrier on the highway, and there is a similar restriction on a state highway to erect any barrier. They appeal to resolve the matter when it comes to collecting customary tolls, as their administration will be affected as they hardly have any revenue.
Their administration is also getting affected because they normally depend, in many of these himas they hardly have any revenue. So the Deputy Chief Minister has informed us that government has constituted an expert committee, and this expert committee is awaiting the District Council's submission of a comprehensive, detailed proposal.
The annual Beding Clam Festival of Jawai,